Hi everyone, I'm the Salsa Trader, and today I'll be looking over some crypto coins and tokens in this video. I'll be providing my technical perspective on these cryptos based on daily candles. I have also placed areas of buys and sells in some of the charts, and I will be providing my reasoning as we move along. Please note that I am not a financial advisor and this video is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, so let's start by looking at the gold standard of the crypto world, which is Bitcoin. Alright, so Bitcoin seems to be in a bullish run for quite some time now. It tagged the purple 21-day exponential moving average a couple of times in November and December. Had a nice leg up, consolidated sideways in this bullish flag. At the break of this bullish flag, which is right around the beginning of February when Bitcoin was around 34,000 US dollars, I would definitely consider buying it right over here, and since then it's been up and away. It does look a little bit overextended as it's far away from its 21-day exponential moving average, so I would wait for it to cool down a bit, perhaps some sort of consolidation in the near future, and then add to my position. Okay, moving on, let's look at AAVE, one of the newer cryptos out there. It's also had a massive bullish run, consolidated a bit here, went up, consolidated a bit, tagged the 21 exponential moving average. I would have bought it there. Had a nice leg up, converged closer to the moving average, leg up again. What you see over here is what's called a double top. This candle and that candle. I would have sold at the double top right over here because that's a reversal pattern, and then as soon as the price touched the 21-day exponential moving average, I would have bought it at that point right over there. And the price seems to be in that range right now, so if you're considering to buy, this might be a good opportunity. But I'm not a financial advisor, so feel free to do whatever you feel like. Moving on, let's look at Cardano. So Cardano seems to be in a very nice bullish run as well, alongside other altcoins. In early January, it had a nice bull flag, and at the break of this bull flag, right around 1st of February, I would have entered Cardano, and since then it seems to be quite nice. It's above the 21-day EMA, it's above the yellow 50-day simple moving average, so everything looks all good. We're also seeing healthy volume over here, so I would see how high this goes, and once it starts to consolidate sideways, then I would look to hold or perhaps add to my position. Moving on, let's look at Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash was in a falling wedge around mid-December. As soon as it's hard to see. As soon as it broke out of the falling wedge on December 13th, I would have bought it and just ran along with it. This on January 19th looks like a shooting star. It's when the price goes up, but then the sellers flush it all the way back down. And this technical pattern is a very bearish sign, so I would have sold it at this time and bought it back as soon as it touched the yellow 50-day simple moving average right around here. Now it seems to be consolidating sideways, but the price is not dropping. So that is a good sign. It seems quite healthy. The volume is cooling off a bit, and the RSI is well above 70 in this range, so it does look a little bit toppy. I think we might see some sort of a consolidation in the near future. Moving on, let's look at Dogecoin. So Dogecoin was in a very, very long bullish flag, which popped. It seems on January the 28th, we had a very, very big pop on heavy bull volume, which is good to see if you're buying this. And then since then, it went up quite high, reached its peak on February 7th, came all the way and tagged the 21-day exponential moving average, which is where it's at right now. This does seem like a bull flag. I'd be happy to go long at this point, personally. Moving on to Polkadot. Polkadot is quite bullish as well, similar to all the other altcoins. It tagged the 21 EMA multiple times at the end of January and then started to climb up. We touched it one more time on February 15th. So yeah, this looks quite bullish to me. I would not want to sell this at this rate. I would just let it go and hold on to my position. Let's look at Ethereum. So Ethereum is one of the cryptos that does look like it's in a bit of trouble. Hopefully this does not seem too confusing. So if we just focus in the area between the red lines, this is what's known as a rising wedge. It's quite bearish in nature. As you could see, the price touched here, came back down, touched here, touch, 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 another touch, another touch, another touch, and is slowly creeping up to the apex of this red triangle. This is quite bearish. And all that is happening on decreasing volume at the bottom, another bearish sign. And in between this red triangle, we also have another rising wedge, which popped to the upside. So this is actually no longer valid. So I'd be a little bit careful with Ethereum. This looks quite bearish to me. If it does break the lower trend line, I would definitely put a sell in this area and look to buy it once it flushes down somewhere here. Moving on, let's look at IOTA. So IOTA had a nice bull flag. At the break of this bull flag on heavy bull volume, I would have bought it. And since then, it's just been climbing up and up and up. It's far away from the 21 EMA and the 50-day simple moving average, so it looks quite healthy to me. I would definitely not short this at this time. Let's look at Chainlink. Again, bull flag. At the break of this bull flag, I would buy it. And anytime it touches the yellow 50-day simple moving average or the 21-day EMA, I would look to add into my position as well. But it looks quite bullish. Litecoin. Break of bull flag. It's a buy. Buy, buy, buy. I would sell it at the double top. Let me zoom in for you guys. This price point and that price point, that's a double top at 179. I would sell it at that double top. It's a reversal pattern. Then this is a flag formation. Let me draw it out so you guys can see it clearly. There we go. And right when it tagged the 50-day simple moving average, I would buy it, or I would buy it at the break of this flag right over here. Both of these are excellent buys in my opinion. Right now it's above the simple moving average and the exponential moving average, so I would just let it go and see how long it continues. Very quickly, let's move on to Stellar. Again, break of bull flag is a clear buy. This is another great area to add into your position right next to the 50-day simple moving average, but it looks very bullish. Last but not least, Ripple. Flag formation. I'd buy it at the break, let it ride. This would be an area to sell as soon as it breaks the 50-day simple moving average. I'd feel very worried and I would get out of my position. That would be a sell, big time sell, especially on heavy volume. That is quite heavy. I'd get out of that trade. And this is a little flag formation right here. Break of that flag, I would look to enter the trade over here. So far it's above the purple 21-day exponential moving average, so I would either add to my position here or just let it ride up, but it does not look bearish. If you made it to the end of my live stream, thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you'd like me to cover a crypto in my next video, please leave a comment below with the ticker, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna get out now and dance some salsa. Have a nice weekend, everybody.